in number 10, we are given two equations. These are two straight lines. We know that they're perpendicular, and there's an intersection for these two lines, and we want to figure out the c. Because we do know that they're perpendicular, that means the product of their slope would be equal to -1. So let's find the slope for each. So for this guy, for the first one, y is equal to a over 2x minus c over 2. For the second one, this one, y is equal to negative 2 over bx minus c, right? Minus c over b. Okay. Now, the slope of the first one is a over 2 times the slope of the second one, which is negative 2 over b. You expect this to be equal to -1, which means the following. 2 and 2 cancel. Negative sign and negative sign cancel. So it means a is equal to b. Because a is equal to b, therefore we do know that the first line becomes ax minus 2y equals c, and the second one is 2x plus ay equals -c. I just simply replace the b with a. And 1 and -5 is the intersection. Therefore, we have the following. A times 1, which is a, minus 2 times -5 equals c. And then 2 times 1 plus a times -5 equals -c. Well, we just need to solve for c. I probably would eliminate a in this case. So I'm going to say a plus 10 is equal to c. The bottom one is -5. A plus 2 equals -c. You could eliminate a or eliminate c either way. Probably. How about I change my mind? I'm going to eliminate the c by adding these two together. So let's see what we will get. A plus -5a is going to be -4a plus 12 equals 0, which means a is 3. So now plug in a equals 3 here. It gives us c equals 13.